48 at Rice Lake, 48 at Bay City, and 48 at Wausau. Under cloudy skies, Madison reported 48, Green Bay reported 48, Milwaukee reported 45, and La Crosse reported 51. Across the Dakotas, at Sioux Falls, rain was falling with a temperature of 49. At Fargo, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 35. In Iowa, rain was falling. It was 46 at Des Moines and 44 at Mason City. Once again at noon in the Twin Cities, it was 45 degrees under cloudy skies. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Rest of today, rain. Near steady temperature in the mid-40s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows in the upper.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now here is the